What is a pool made of? Let's take a look at the pool in a longitudinal section that is 6 meters by 3 meters and examine it in detail. Is it dark? Let's try turning on the sun. Not bad. To complete the picture, let's add some trees. It looks much better this way. So, a pool is a large container filled with water. Also, today we're not discussing pool construction. Friends, hello everyone. You are on the Alpha Pool channel. My name is Roman. I've been building pools for 20 years. In my videos, I share my experience with you. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Thank you. The pool consists of a basin, pool fittings installed in this basin, we'll discuss pool fittings later, and a technical room with equipment, directly pool equipment, as well as PVC pipes and fittings for the piping of the pool basin. Let's consider all this in more detail. The basin has a waterproofing layer designed to prevent water from seeping out. Pool basin is equipped with water intake devices, in our case, a skimmer. Additionally, it has inlets that return water back, and also a main drain. A main drain should be in every pool. I keep saying this and will continue to say it. If you want to know why a main drain is necessary in a pool, leave your questions in the comments. We will definitely create a video on this. How is the technical room or plant room arranged? This is a room where the pool equipment is located, and the heart of any pool is the pump. Of course, we really need the pump. Additionally, along with the pump, we need a water filter, a pool control panel, as well as PVC pipes and fittings. How does the pool work? The pool control panel turns on the pump, which starts working and draws water through the skimmer and main drain. First, the water flows through the pipes to the pump, then passes through the filter. After the filter, if necessary, the water undergoes disinfection and heating. So, after filtering, the cleaned, disinfected, and heated water returns to the pool. Now, we are considering a simple system with only filtration. This is how the filtration system works. The water circulates. And remember, in 90% of cases, the inlets should be opposite the skimmer. No other way. The skimmer and inlets work on the principle of pull push. This ensures uniform mixing of the water in the pool. I will definitely create a video that explains how to choose the right skimmer and inlets for your pool and where to best place them. So make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any new useful videos, maybe even about your future pool. As a customer, you should know that the technical room or plant room must have a grounding circuit for safety. Your safety comes first. The technical room should have a water supply for filling and topping up the pool, and a sewer system for backwashing the filter and draining the pool for winter. The sewer can be laid at any height that suits you, as the water is pumped out of the pool using the same pump that filters it. Another important point, the technical room must have ventilation. Ventilation is necessary for the normal operation of pool equipment and removal of excess moisture. Also, the pool is almost always surrounded by a beach area. The construction of the beach area can be any, but it is desirable that there is a concrete slab around the pool. My friends, thank you for watching the video till the end. I hope you found it useful. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I wish you good health, warmth in your home, and a peaceful sky above you. Until next time. Bye bye.